So our first topic is unit and dimension of physical quantities from chapter 1 measurement, and this is our first video. So any physical quantity can be defined as anything which can be measured directly or indirectly by an experiment called physical quantities. So for a small example, when we measure some length of any object, so we use our rule scale. So our experiment performed here by an instrument called ruling scale, and we can directly measure the length of the object using this. So somehow directly and indirectly means if we measure some anything else in terms of this length or time and etc using some relation or equation, then it is called indirectly measurement. So measuring some another quantity, we can use some relation, we comes to another physical quantity which we cannot be measured directly. Here we use an physical equation. So this is called the indirectly measurement. Okay, so now come to define a physical quantities, we need an unit. So what is unit? Unit is when we measure fundamental physical quantity, we have to require an universal fixed and comfortable standard value. Using that we can easily say that measurable quantity how many times of this standard value. Okay, now using the standard values of the physical quantities, the communication by the quantities become more easy. So these standard values of the physical quantities called unit of the physical quantity. So here unit is only a standard value of a quantity, not only the standard, it is a universally fixed and comfortable standard value. Okay, so using that we can express the quantity in a right manner and make a comfortable communication by it. So how can we define quantity in terms of unit? So Q is the quantity here, and Q equals to M into U, where M is the magnitude of the quantity. M is the magnitude of the quantity which is defined as a real number and which is the multiple of the standard value of this quantity. So a quantity, so the for standard fixed universal quantity is assigned for this Q, and this M is the multiple of this standard value, and the unit is universally defined unit in which form we can define this quantity Q. So any quantity can be defined by two things, the unit and the magnitude, which is the multiple of this unit's standard value. The total unit system can be classified in two systems. One is SI system and another is CGS system. So SI system means internationally system, and CGS system in terms of length, mass and time. Centimeter, C stand for centimeter, G for gram and S for second. And with these basics of fundamental quantities, in the base of on the basis of these three fundamental quantities, we derived a system, unit system, that is called CGS system. Okay.